Welcome to day 59 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, been an entrepreneur my whole life. In the last 3.5 years, I've been building these businesses and I want to show you my ups and downs of business to see if something that you want to get into, or you're already in it and you just want to watch the ins and outs of how my businesses are going. Today's going to be a pretty easy day. I have some customer orders I got to get out, and then also we have some FBA shipments we have to get out. We're gonna get a couple decals out, and then we also got a couple stickers that we gotta get out from our suppliers that sent over. So I gotta get all that done. We gotta get those in as fast as possible. I'm still waiting on some more mug boats to come in, but we can't do anything about it. It's like a waiting game. And I'm telling you, if we could just get more of these mug boats in, we could be making a lot more money. So I really need to double down on that. I just don't wanna buy too much, but I also don't want to be waiting around. So, and it's really hard to gauge because I got like 3 different suppliers I'm working with for these mug boats to try to get the best deal on them, and they're different shipping times, and so I can't gauge it, unfortunately. So this one's taking a lot longer than my last order, so I'm just praying they come in as quick as possible. So let's get to work, and at the very end of this video, I will go over our revenue and a revenue of how much money we made yesterday, and also my analytics on my ads to show you how well I'm doing on there as well. So let's get to work. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something. This is kind of a peace of mind. I just found out that I got account health assurance on my Amazon page, which basically means I'm not gonna get deactivated as long as we work on resolving issues. And I looked it up, and also basically it just kind of gives that like relief that I can focus on growing the business, because I'm always afraid of this thing to crumble under my feet, and it's terrifying because I built my foundation of my business, my decal business, on sand basically, and it can just get ripped from under me because Amazon can just do that. Well, this kind of gives me a little bit of comfort knowing that they will take priority in my account because I have a healthy account and I've been with them for so long. So I just wanted to show you guys that, because I've been telling you all how nervous I've been of my account just kind of getting taken from me. So that's a good reassurance that it just won't be taken immediately. At least I can talk to somebody about it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, but I got to show you something that's been bugging me though. I haven't been able to pull this money out of my account for almost a month now. They say it can take up to 2 weeks to 90 days. I need my money. I need money. And they're not letting me pull it. So I don't know what to do about this. I've had to deal with this before. You just gotta wait, and then they'll just they'll give you the money later on. So I don't know if anyone else has an Amazon account and can like feel that like pain, because I don't know why mine holds for so long with my healthy account, why they can't trust it, but it is what it is. I just can't pull any money. I got to be somewhat frugal this month to make sure I can pay rent and all that stuff. So I'm hoping I can get that cash soon. All right, guys. So basically we just started out with the FBA shipments. Like I said, priorities first. So getting these shipments out as soon as possible is my most important thing to do. So these are my NYPD stickers. These are my Massachusetts police stickers, like these badges. I got a couple funny meme decals, but it's really hard to see. I totally am in the way. Unfortunately, I'm sorry about that. All right, so this is a fun one. I got 5 of these pieces I was working on, and I could not get the rest of it off. So this is a waste of vinyl. As you can see, it's just taking forever, so I threw it all out. This one was way better though. I got all of these out. I fixed the problem with the overlapping on the vinyl, so I don't have any more issues. Thank God, because I was literally about to throw that cutter out, but I figured it out. I just had to add more vinyl feed, so the weight of the vinyl wasn't pushing against the needle. It's a long story, but got it figured out. So super stoked on that. Got these all out. These are going into the FBA warehouse as well. And all I'm doing now is putting transfer tape on them, and these are now prepped and ready to send out to Amazon. All right, so I'm dropping off the UPS package, which is pretty tiny, but it's got 140 pieces in it, so definitely pretty compact. So I'm gonna go drop that off, and we're gonna come back and then do customer orders, and then we'll be done with the day. I wanna go enjoy the pool and like tan a little bit, so. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so this is the last part of my orders. I had to get these out for customers. These are all my Bigfoot decals that I was selling out of. So I had this to do, so packaging those all up. And then I just did a few more. So I had the goat decal that I had to get out, and then I had a couple cat decals that I had to get out as well. But the vinyl cutter is working way better, way faster, way more efficient. So just putting transfer paper on these, sending these out to the customers today. They'll get these in probably 3 days. So super exciting. And yeah, that was pretty much my whole day. Let's go over yesterday's revenue and my analytics on my ads. All right, for some reason, I spent $20 on ads today on Google. I don't know why, because it didn't convert. We did 238 clicks at 3 cents and $10 daily. We're at like $7 in total. And then we had 77 visitors to our website with 1 add to cart. Not very successful, especially spending almost $30 on ads. So I'm gonna need some help here soon if that doesn't convert. We did $35.89 on eBay yesterday. We did $743, which was really good yesterday on Amazon. So a total of $780 we made yesterday, total revenue. And so our total this month is at $17,968. So almost $18,000. We need to be at $29,000 if we want to stick to that $1,000 a day. But you know, we're getting there. I mean, I'm not complaining at almost $18,000 this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm. It helps me out a lot. If you enjoyed these videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. I love you guys. I love supporting you guys and helping you all out as well. But I also love when you guys support me. So, yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So tomorrow will be day 60. I cannot believe it's been 2 months. Day 60. On the path to $30,000 a month. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.